Greetings, Mokosi JPY. This is your mentor. I'm looking USDZAR on a weekly time frame. Let me just quickly move it into a monthly time frame. So as you can see, as I'm looking at USDZAR, you can able to see that okay, the market tapped here. Each and everything it happened with a reason. So we can able to see that okay, the time that the market it was tapping here. The reason why main point, the reason why we tapped here is because of that level and this level. It's a key level. It's a W formation so that we can push the market to the upside. But currently right now we can see that okay, what the market is doing right now, the market itself, it managed to give us some of our reversal channel pushing to the upside like this. That means high possibility that we'll be bouncing here and shoot up. That's the probability. But let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. As you can see here, we have a first point. I'm gonna just mark each and every point that I see. We have a first point here. We have a second point at here. And then another point that we have a first pointed here, we have a second pointed here. So I'm gonna just go to a weekly time frame. A weekly time frame. Right now we are on a weekly time frame. We can able to see that okay, what the market is doing right now. We can able to see that the market it was trending to the upside currently. So we're gonna mark a key level that we can see that this is kind of a key level that are very absolutely important for us. Another level that we have is this level. We can see that the market itself, it managed to form something like a double top and push the upside in a corrective side and end up forming this kind of formation. So we are really expecting the market to come back to this level or this level in the long term. We are really expecting the market to approach this level. So I'm gonna just go to another time frame right now. I'll just go to another time frame. So let's just see, let's test our trend line. I will put the trend line and put it here and put it here. First touch, second touch, third pointed, we broken. Let's see again. Let's see, let's watch. So I'll just quickly change the color of this trend line. So currently right now, guys, as you can see, I'm going to just move first point, second point, it form a trend line, the third point we have. So I'm going to just move to another time frame, which is the H4 time frame, H1, so a daily time frame. So as you can see, we are in a daily time frame. We can able to see that, okay, the market have been ranging here for so long. It's a ranging market. So currently right now, what I'm going to just do, I'm going to just mark this level, the level that I see that this level is a level that is very absolutely important for us. So we can see that we broken that level, we didn't retest it. And then at the same time, we broken even our trend line. We broken our trend line, market given us a double top and we dropped. So I'm going to just go to another time frame, which is the H4 time frame, where we started to realize that we have the continuation pattern or the reversal. So currently right now, guys, as you can see, we are in a H4 time frame. So the market is managed to give us a small corrective breakout and retested. So we high possibility that we can able to push the price to the upside before we can drop impulsive to the downside. High probability this thing, it can happen. So I'm going to just quickly move it to another time frame. Let's just quickly check. Because of we cannot bounce here. There is a reason here. So I want to know the reason that it can make us to bounce into that level because of, okay, I'm watching that level. I'm looking this level. I'm looking this level, which is the psychological level. I'm looking this level. We are here. So you can able to see that the market itself, it managed to respect it here before it shoot up. So let's just see. We are still into a key level. Let's watch. Okay. So as we are looking something like this, high possibility that the market it can approach that level. So currently right now, I managed to mark the psychological level. Let's just move to H1 time frame. Exactly. H1, we have something like this here, which is the continuation pattern. So probability and possibility, I'm expecting the market to give us something like this. Something like this. I'm expecting something like this. Let me just check the good current price. Yeah, let's just check this one, take this one and put it here. Yeah, I'm done. So we are expecting something like this, as you can see. So we are really expecting something like this. So I'm gonna just take another current price. Let me just take this one, copy it, this one. Okay, so that means we are looking something like this to drop to the downside. To drop to the downside. That's a long-term position that we are looking. A first pointed is that level. I'm gonna just go to another time frame, which is the H4. Let me move to the daily time frame. So we are looking this level here. So that's the target. That's a target. We'll be expecting the market to respect this level again. So we have something like this. In a long-term position, we'll be expecting the market to come back and approach this level here. That's a long term. If you don't have eyes to see, I don't know. That's a long-term position. We're expecting something like this. We're expecting something like this into a USDZAR. Make sure you like and you comment, you subscribe, so that when I put another video, it will notify you. So help me, I will continue and help you. So if you want another setup, make sure you comment so that I can able to check the comment and create another video. Comment with a setup, a pair, what you want me to break it for you. So as a long term, we are really expecting the market to approach this level. I don't know, guys. I will hear from you. Remember me, I'm a pure trend line traders. I'm a pure trend line traders. No robot system, no indicators. I'm a pure. So currently right now, that means we are really expecting something like this as we are looking right now. So I'll make sure I will put the setup after the video. I'll make sure that after the video, I will place the setup. Sharp, sharp. Like and subscribe. I'm out.